Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Node 14 Plus and NPM are ready, then pick a logger library based on needs. Simple console for dev, Winston, or Pinot for production. Once chosen, install with NPM and create a logger file like logger.js. You set log levels, info, warn, error, and formatters now so consistent output exists. Make sure to export a configured instance. This first configuration step prevents scattered ad hoc console logs and gives you centralized control from the start. Once done with setup, configure transports, console for development, file for persistence, HTTP for remote collection, and choose JSON or timestamped formats to ease parsing. You wire the logger into your app by importing the exported instance into modules and replacing console. Log with logger. Info, logger, warn, logger, error. Make sure to attach context like request ID or user ID to each log for traceability. This structured approach helps aggregation tools and debuggers find relevant entries quickly. To finish, add log rotation and retention to avoid disk bloat, and set environment-specific levels so production logs are concise while development is verbose. You should also integrate with monitoring or centralized logging if required. Once deployments happen, run simulated errors and trace logs end-to-end to validate context is present. If logs are missing, check that the logger instance is imported, not recreated, confirm level thresholds, and ensure transports are not blocked by file permissions or process sandboxing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.